Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's Monday 24th of February 2025. I am back at the Bridgewater Canal. I'm currently at the School Lane end of the breach where the earth dam is still in place. The water levels seem to be quite steady. They took the siphon away over a week ago, but the level still looks like it's down a slight little bit, but not too bad. I'd say there's certainly no signs of the earth dam being moved yet. So I have a quick little flight with the drone here, and then I'll move on down to the Swan with two nicks. So I'm just back at the Ballington underbridge. See, still. Let's look at the face that someone put on, obviously when they were doing repairs. Probably, hopefully, just about make out where there is some water coming through, but on the whole, it's not too bad. So I'm back at the Coffer dams. When I get the drone up in a minute, we'll see what that water level is like. It's the winding hole. Nice calm day. A lot of rain yesterday. That's why I wanted to come today and just have a look, see how the area really is coping with more water. So the pump's not on at the moment. I have since found out it is on a float switch. So when the level in between the two coffer dams gets high enough, it cuts in automatically. So I'll go and get the drone up now and we'll take a look across the breach. Okay, so we'll fly towards the Coffer dam. Look at the levels. As you can see at the moment, it's quite low. So it appears to go up to that, see where you can see that dry line ending. So in there is the pump. Let's carry on down the breach. There's so there's still quite a lot of flow going over the pipe. But it appears to be doing the job, say, because under that underbridge was, apart from a couple of tiny little damp patches, was quite dry. Just move up a little bit. We'll move on right over the actual breach. Just have to get a bit higher signal. You can see the extent of the damage when it all washed out. So I'm not sure how long this flight's going to be because it has just started to rain. So I'm going to get up and high so I can come back quickly if I need to. We'll go and look at these other coffer dams. So it always looks high, but doesn't appear to be leaking much, so whether it's sort of stabilised once it's got to a certain level. Not sure. Right, I'll spin round. See, obviously the flood water had gone down a tiny little bit, but they had a lot of rain yesterday, so just will add to it again, I guess. So we'll come back over towards the coffer dams again. We fly along the canal. Don't know if you heard that, but that was the loudest clap and lightning that I've ever seen. So, and it were very close. So I'm going to land the drone at the moment and end that there for a minute. Right, I'm back in the air. I've waited a little while. The clouds have gone. I was originally around there somewhere when that lightning happened. All I know is it were really close. It was just like the flash and the instant bang of thunder. So I've waited a fair while. The sky's gone. I don't know if the drone will go up high enough now. If I move, you can see nice blue sky now. I presume that is where somewhere there anyway, was where the storm is. Somewhere, but back over the canal where I am, it's moved across. I say down by the Swan with 2 nicks, there were even car alarms going off, I presume with the shock of it. So have a quick look along here. So it does look like the tailors have moved on now. I think they were moored here, I believe. Not sure what that sign says. By the water point. I know they said they was in their live stream they were moving on today, so looks like they've successfully got away. I'll go down to Agden Bridge quickly. Another boat there now. So I wondered for a minute if that was Olive. No, Union Maya. Back round, that one's still. So the water looks very clear today though. So it's because I'm above it more. There was a lot of rain, so I don't know if that helps with the water. So I'll fly back to where I'm parked. So I just wanted to come quickly back on because wanted to just say something after my abrupt landing, but thankfully that was the only, it was only a clap of thunder here. It does certainly look like it's gone that way. You can see a rainbow there. Let's have a better from a distance. So I presume that's where the rain, because the heavy rain followed. By the time I'd landed the drone and packed it away, there you can see it's really dark. So that was something new for my channel, thunder and lightning. So moving forward anyway, I'm gonna, let's see, there's not a lot a great deal happening, so I'm probably going to come once a week, and unless I hear, I've got several people who message me about things here. So if there's an earth dam, that earth dam starts to get moved, or they start building the one by the winding hole, I will pop back and have a look. Otherwise, I'd say I'll do a sort of come and have a look on a weekly basis, and right up until something happens. So I will leave it there. Thank you all for watching. Sorry about my scary moment. And I will look forward to seeing you next time.